Hey guys, Dave here, and we are on our way to 3 remodeling projects. We're going to go take a site tour. I have the first one is the Cape Cod, the second one is another Cape Cod, and the third one is a ranch. So let's go over there, we're going to take a look, and I'll show you what we're up to the last couple of days. Okay guys, so the first Cape Cod we're going over to is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, top floor at a level. We're about maybe 3.5 weeks into the project. We had the hardwood flooring installed yesterday, and we had our inspections over the last couple of days. Everything passed, plumbing, electric, fire, building, and we had insulation just the other day. That passed. So today, later on, we have a sheetrock delivery. So tomorrow they're going to start sheetrocking. We want to go over there now. We're going to take a look at the hardwood flooring. It's a 3.25 inch plank flooring, red oak. It's a wider plank than normal. We're installing it on the entire top floor except for the bathroom. So let's go over there and we'll take a look. Okay, so here we are at the first Cape Cod remodel, and you can see how nice this came out. We had the whole house just in the last 3 weeks. Look at all the work that's been accomplished. The house is finished on the outside completely. Siding, roofing, windows, shutters, gutters, decorative stone, refaced porch from the side view. Look at how nice this place looks. It came out. Anyway, let's go inside. Okay, so we're entering the house. If you recall, we added that flitch plate beam. That's a steel plate in there with 3 2x12s. We've shown you this in the past. Look at all that work that's gone into that beam. We jacked up the house slightly to remove the bow in the floor. Anyway, let's go upstairs and I'll show you the layout. So this is the existing staircase. Again, we're looking down into the living room. As we walk up here, we installed the oak flooring, and here, let me show you around the rooms. Okay, so as we get to the top of the stairs here, immediately over to our right is the front bedroom. Oversized windows. We have it set up for wall mount TVs. Outlets. Got a full-size closet. Just across the hall is the second bedroom. Another full closet. Full-size windows looking out to the backyard. And got some decent space here. And as we look down the hall now, we have a linen closet right over here. We have the shared bathroom with a Jack and Jill door into the master suite. Now with the insulation up, you can get a better idea how this room is starting to look, the size of it. So this is the master bedroom suite, and full 10-foot ceilings, tray ceiling up there. We have the recessed lighting, and you have his and hers walk-in closets. Look how nice this came out with the hardwood. This was just installed yesterday, the whole top floor, 1 day, complete install, and they're finished. Over here you have the first walk-in closet, you have the second walk-in closet, a window at the end of the hall, and then they have their own doorway into the shared bathroom. So over here, let's take a look. Alright, so in this bathroom, we do have a light. We have a custom corner shower. It has a seat. It has a half wall. It opens up. The half wall allows more. It allows a more full look in the bathroom. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a half wall of glass there, and then the door will go over here. And they have a rain head. They're also going to have a handheld for the wall, and they have a double sink over here, toilet, and there's plenty of room here. So this bathroom will have a door going out into the hall, and their own door going into the master bedroom. So guys, all this work, all the utilities, the complete top floor, took us about 3.5 weeks to get to this stage. So all we have to do that's left is we're going to sheetrock, trim, and then the finishes stages with the tile, the painting, and then this family will be back in here after we get the CO on this particular add level. So we're moving quick. Now we're going to go over to the other Cape Cod add a level project. This particular project that we're going to go to is a full first floor, second floor. It's complete top floor, 3 beds, 2 bathrooms, and then on the first floor everything is brand new. Kitchen, bathroom, open floor plan, staircase renovation on the existing stairs, and then a little bit of work in the basement with a utility room. We're changing all the utilities in the house, the electric, the plumbing, HVAC dual units with a hot water heater, and then some work in the garage for fire coating. So let's go over there. We're going to take a look at that other Cape Cod add a level. Okay guys, so we showed up at Cape Cod number 2, and this particular house, we're going to be going up. We're going to be adding a 2-foot cantilever across the back. We have 3 beds, 2 baths upstairs. First floor complete renovation, the whole outside, all new windows. This place is going to be completely remodeled, completely transformed. So let's go in the house and take a look around. Right now, just to give you an idea, you saw the last video, we removed the side steps, and what's going on here is we're going to relocate the side steps right over to here to those 2 piers. We're continuing the sidewalk over to where you see the frame, and that's going to continue. And then the stairs, what's going to happen is there's going to be a landing and then steps down onto the new concrete pad. Over here, what we're doing is, just to recap, the steps used to come in this direction. What we're going to do now is we're going to direct those stairs to the front, leading to the front of the house. And then we're going to change the sidewalk, which used to be over here, continued off to the original steps. We're going to redirect it over here. So the guys are working on that now, and let's go inside. I'll show you the first floor. All right, so inside we have the demo crew working, and this is the first floor. This is unusual for us. If you come upstairs, the existing cape, you never see this. This is an unfinished cape. It's never finished, and they just had some shelving up here and just a makeshift floor up on the second floor. But this is stripped down. There's no electric up here, no plumbing, so it's going to be an easy. All we have to do up here is just pull up this flooring and this wall system right over here. But let's go downstairs and I will show you what we're doing on the first floor. All right, so we're busy pulling the kitchen out. The whole kitchen is removed already. We're just a couple of hours in, and on the other side they are stripping down the front bedrooms. Here you can see it's all exposed. The walls here. Stripping down that whole side already. Underneath us is a garage. We're going to be removing the ceiling to fire code it and bring it up to code. You can see the light insulation that they have in place. Barely insulated, all of that. And here we are filling up our first 30-yard container. And we'll have one container in one container will take on this whole floor. There's not much here. Over here you can see the oak flooring. This oak flooring is all coming up. Remember now, just to get an idea, we're opening up all these walls here. Everything's getting opened up. It's going to be a full kitchen, a bathroom by the entry. We're putting in a steel plate all the way across from that wall, all the way down to that wall. It's about 32 feet long. And that will enable us, this homeowner wants to open up the staircase here and have it look down with a railing down to the basement, which will be eventually a finished basement down the road. So they want all that open and exposed. We're going to open up the staircase, the existing stairs. So it's going to be a whole new floor plan. Now that door is going to get moved over to about here. There's going to be a bathroom over there, and then there's going to be a full kitchen with a guest room. It's going to be a beautiful layout. Let's take a look at these whole tiles. Okay guys, so the lumber delivery just showed up. We have the Moffett on site, and we're going to be moving the piles of lumber and material around the front yard. We have limited space here because the other side of the property has a 2-foot retaining wall, so we can't get over that wall with the Moffett. So I'm going to show you where we're at right now with the delivery and how we're going to spread this around the front yard. Okay guys, so here we are on the brick ranch remodel. If you recall, you've been watching over the last week or two, we removed the brick on the house and we completely gutted the inside. We installed new plumbing in the basement, sump pump with a French drain. This one today, we're gonna get the lumber delivered and we're gonna get set in the next day or so to remove the roof. So this house is going to be a beautiful project. The entire, all 3 floors, it's almost 5,000 square foot renovation on this particular home. Everything is brand new. So today we just cleared off this little area right over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to have the truck deliver, and they're going to use a Moffett and deliver the lumber and place all the lumber in a particular area. So on this particular one, what we're going to do is place the lumber around this area here, and we're going to try to get a couple of packs of lumber on the over that wall there, and that's going to go on in the next couple of minutes. Okay, so here is the Moffett, the delivery vehicle for the lumber. We have the truck over there, and we just cleared off the left side. Now we're going to take care of those 3 packs on the right side, and here's what we have here so far. This was on the left side of the delivery truck. We have the 3/4 tongue and groove plywood. That's all the floor sheeting for the second floor. And then we have our 2x4s and our 2x10s, 2x12s